fun size.
Yes.
Fun size. And I'm supposedly fun size, and I'm not fun size next to you.
I know.
I'm like giant tour. It's the first time in my life.
Next time you wear flats, I'm not wearing jeans.
Okay, done. I'm so excited to be back with Janine. I felt a little guilty, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm supposed to be working on my book, which I've started. Right, that's the biggest thing to start.
But
I haven't started writing.
oh, good.
Okay, but okay,
You
so
got started.
I got started, and Janine created this amazing program to help you write your book from start to finish. And let's face it, I know you all have a story that you can share at this point in your life. And we can teach people, we can inspire people, and that's what this is really all about, is putting your life onto paper. I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it, and I wanna share it with you. So if you've been feeling afraid to do it, I already got started, and I have to say, it is so well done.
Thank you.
How to organize your thoughts, and if you're afraid, and I'm like sitting there, like nodding my head. The cool thing is that each chapter that you watch, it's all little video clips. They're very short to the point.
Yeah.
Really easy to follow, really easy to watch and listen to.
I had a lot of people reaching out to me wanting to write a book, not sure how to do it, and I was like, okay, I have something here. I need to create this academy. Teach people how to publish their books.
Genius. Once you join this academy, it's not like, okay, here's your program, off you go. You actually have weekly phone calls.
Yep, we do bi-weekly group calls where I teach you, I answer questions, offer support. I also have guest speakers that come on to our group calls, so that's super amazing.
You save $200 when you mention me.
Go on the Academy website and you use the code LifestyleJewels, you get $200 off. Academy, we teach nonfiction, fiction, children's books, journals, planners, we do it all. Whatever you need help with, we'll help you.
What do people really want to write?
I get a lot of like self-help, memoir type of books, but I have a little bit of everything. I have children's books, we have some that are really full novels.
For somebody who's wanting to write a book, you have something to share, that you would be able to share it with all of your friends and family and maybe to the world. It doesn't have to be a huge, I'm going to sell this book to the world. It could just be you're doing it for yourself to have, right?
Yes. I have a lot of people that do that, but they're like, I don't even care about sales. I just want to know that my story is on paper and I'm sharing it with friends and family.
That's
So
right.
each person's goal is different and it doesn't have to be the same. I have a community, so I have a community of authors. It's a bunch of us and we're all in a group and we all talk and we share ideas and
You're in it, we're in it together.
we motivate each other, so it's super cool.
You're not getting excited? Come on, do you not want to write your own book? I mean, why wouldn't you do this? Knowledge is power. Get a hold of Janine, talk to her, because you know what? She's going to make you feel like $1 million, and she's going to help you write this book.
Yes.